trying my famous chicken sandwich and my coleslaw. So let's see how he likes it.
Oh my god, how
How
good.
about you, Liam? You liked it?
Yeah.
Alright.
Nice and tender.
Now I'm making my daughter a sandwich now and
Oh
then.
my gosh.
Good, right?
Yeah. You need to open up a thing. Damn.
Daughter's gonna try my famous sandwich.
Five-star, we've been saving money out here because we don't have to go out and buy food.
There you go. Always home food is always the best. Especially when it's made with love.
Yeah.
And the coleslaw, your dad is perfect.